Design your products ready for assembly using Halocline Assembly. Experience your product data true to scale in a virtual room. Even without CAD knowledge, you will gain a quick understanding of the context of individual assemblies. You can check the manufacturability of your product without having to wait for a hardware prototype. By visual inspection, you can test installation scenarios and gain important insights for your assembly structure. With analysis tools, you can deepen this knowledge. Define your individual structure for the assembly without the need for expert knowledge. Switch to Halocline Layout to directly reuse your assembly groups and plan the matching workstations. To assemble products with Halocline Assembly, you can quickly and easily import your CAD data and experience it in virtual reality within seconds. For tangible insights based on digital data. Halocline.